So here's the cloud bread that's been trending on TikTok, and I'm going to show exactly how to make this. Stay to the end so you can hear my review on this. So you start with 3 large egg whites. At room temperature is key so they blend well together. Then I added 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I take my immersion blender with whisk attachment to blend together the egg whites. You really want this to create stiff white peaks, so this is how you're going to do it, really whipping a lot of air into the egg whites. So as you can imagine, it'd be quite difficult if you used your arm to get that elbow grease in there, because it's really going to take you like several rounds of rotations to get that same texture. Then I'm going to add some sugar plus cream of tartar, and this is going to help hold the peaks together and actually make them a little bit stiffer, add a little bit nice sugary flavor as well, and that's exactly the texture you want to hit. Then I actually want to create some color, make this a little bit more fun. Of course, you can just bake it as is. So I actually divide into 3 groups, some pink, some blue, and then to make some green. You can even make them into more colors, make a fun rainbow, that could be fun. Or you can play off the name cloud bread and make it like blue and white, so it looks like the sky and clouds. That could be really cute as well. But this is a fun activity part that I think would be really great with kids. So next I actually place the different layers of colors on top of each other on the parchment paper that I want to bake the cloud on. You don't want to have to move this to another baking sheet, so definitely if you're using a silk pat, put it on that, because you're not going to move it from this. It's going to be way too difficult. So what I'm doing here is layering on the different colors opposite of each other, trying to avoid similar colors sitting next to each other. This way you kind of have a nice fun pattern, and then eventually use a spatula to smooth it out as so, to create my nice little cloud. Then I bake this at 300 degrees for about 30 minutes. And the key is actually to let it slowly come through temperature, not let it just immediately come from the oven to your room temperature, because it'll cause it to shrivel as what's happened here. But actually when you turn it around, it looks just as fine and as pretty. So the flavor kind of reminds me of meringue, but not quite so. So not exactly something that I'd probably make again. If my daughter Evie wanted to make this, I would make it with her, obviously. But for myself, maybe I try it with egg yolk and then see how that turns out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely please give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel, because I'd love to see you guys again soon. And then definitely give me some suggestions of what else you'd like to see on my channel. I'd love to create something that you guys would love to hear and see about. And and if you do make this, it is definitely great for some ASMR. And see you next time. Bye guys.